Hello, friends.
Hi guys, happy Wednesday. I know you missed all of us last week, so we're here for your weekly SEL lesson.
Woo!
So today we're going to continue on what we've been talking about through the month of November, which was stress and anxiety and coping skills and strategies. So today our focus is going to be on identifying our own coping strategies and what might work for us when we're feeling stressed and anxious. So the first thing that's going to happen is you're going to get a list from your teacher, and it has 100 different coping strategies on it. You're going to identify the top 8. There's also a spot on the back, you know, if you think of something that's not necessarily on the list that you can add to it. From there, you're going to get a worksheet that looks like this. It's called a fortune teller is what we call it. I don't know what y'all call it these days. But anyways, in these triangles, you're going to identify your coping strategies and write them in. So Mr. Buckner has an example.
Magic trick.
Magic. And I know, for instance, some of them will say like pet an animal or work out. So those are some of my coping strategies. But you're going to use your own. You might not have time to color it today and make it all fancy. But we really want you to think about your coping strategies and what might help you when you're feeling stressed or anxious. And so what you could do, for instance, with this is, let's say one time you're feeling stressed and anxious, too stressed to remember what one of your coping strategy is.
So stressed.
You could play a game with the fortune teller.
You ready for this? I'm about to rock your world. Miss Sarah, pick a color.
Green.
Green. Pick a number.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pick another number.
5.
5. Let's see what her coping strategy is. Can't read it. Read inspirational quotes.
I love quotes.
If you want to achieve as much as you want to breathe, that's when you'll be successful. That's inspirational right there.
And that was actually kind of interesting because I forgot that one was on there. And so maybe if I was feeling stressed, I would really forget and it would remind me to do that. So we've been seeing some of these in the hallway lately. So apparently they're back in. So hopefully you guys will find this activity fun.
Back in stock.
And enjoyable, but also we'll get some idea of what your coping strategies can be. So that's what we're going to work on for today.
Good luck. Hello, children.
Hello. It's me.
It's us again, your favorite people. Anywho, so I hope you guys enjoyed that activity. It's something you guys can, carry around in your backpacks or in your trapper keepers, as Miss Sarah calls them, or normal people.
They're called trapper keepers.
Or normal people call them a binder. Whatever you want to keep them in. Something that you can use when you're feeling stressed, feeling anxious. Pop those things out, play a little game, and then, find your coping strategy.
Healthy coping strategies.
Healthies. Guys, on this list, if you're looking at them and you find any of these that you may be interested in, but you don't understand maybe how it works, what you can do for it, anything like that, sign up to see one of us and we can talk you through it. And maybe you'll see one on here like, oh, you never thought about it, like gardening. I would have never thought about gardening.
That stresses me out, actually.
See? So some of them can be triggers, like gardening for Miss Sarah. But for me, I love to garden. Never gardened a day in my life, but something I would have never thought of, So they become some cool, interesting ones on here that you may have never thought of. So be open-minded. If you have questions about it, let one of us know. We can talk you through it. And if you're feeling stressed, like Miss Sarah, when I throw a football at her, see, stress. Use the fortune tellers. Miss Sarah, anything you gotta say?
Nope. Just remember to use those strategies in times of stress, and hopefully you'll find something that works for you. If not, as always, sign up to see us, and we'll see you next week.
We're here for you, especially Sam behind the camera.
Hi.
Peace.
Bye.